What is a bird? What are they? Why can they fly? And why do they sing so much? Hello everyone, this is Claudius, and you're watching Shadowtail TV. And in this video, you'll get answers to these questions and much more. Let's dive right in. Please take a moment to hit the thumbs up button. It helps my channel grow and gets more of my videos out to more people. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss a new video from me. Thank you for your support. Now let's continue to the video. Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates that are known for their feathers, wings, songs, and flying abilities. While there are approximately 10,000 species of birds, all birds share certain physical characteristics such as laying eggs and having feathers. Most birds have 2 legs, 2 wings, and a bill or beak. Throughout history and time, birds have served as a source of food, inspiration, and beauty. They are incredibly diverse, living in almost all habitats worldwide. From the highest mountains to the depths of the ocean, every species of bird is unique and has its own characteristics and adaptations that allow it to live and thrive in its environment. Next, birds are typically divided into 2 main groups: land birds and water birds. Land birds, such as sparrows, robins, and crows, are adapted to living and foraging on land, while water birds like ducks, geese, and swans are adapted to living in and around water. Birds have many characteristics that make them different from other animals. They exhibit unique behaviors such as singing, migration, and courtship displays. Birds can fly because of their unique anatomy and physiology, evolved to allow them to do so. The wings are the main organ responsible for flight, as they are made up of a sturdy, lightweight bone structure covered with feathers. The feathers help to create an upward lift when air passes over them. In addition, the wings serve as a rudder, allowing birds to turn and bank as they fly. The feathers also help to reduce drag, which is the resistance created by air as the bird moves through it. Another important factor in bird flight is the ability of the bird to generate lift with its wings. This is achieved through a combination of flapping and gliding. When a bird flaps its wings, it creates a downward thrust that causes air to rush downwards and creates an upward force in response. As the bird glides, this upward force helps it to keep it airborne. Finally, birds have an excellent respiratory system that generates energy needed for flight. The inhaled oxygen turns into energy which they use to power their flight muscles. This allows them to stay airborne for long periods of time without resting. Birds sing for many reasons, and it is not obvious why. Some birds sing to attract a mate, defend their territory, or simply out of joy. Many birds sing during the early morning hours to attract mates or to announce the presence of their territory to other birds. In addition, birds also sing to show off their fitness and strength. Singing indicates to a potential mate that the bird is healthy and strong and therefore a better choice as a mate. Birds are known to feed on insects, small mammals, fish, amphibians, reptiles, crustaceans, fruits, and seeds. Insects such as grasshoppers, crickets, and caterpillars are a staple in the diets of most birds. Small mammals such as mice, voles, and shrews are often taken by larger bird species like hawks and owls. Fish, amphibians, and reptiles are also consumed by birds, with kingfishers and herons being particularly well known for their diet of fish. Additionally, crustaceans like crabs and crayfish are also eaten by many birds, such as species of cormorants. Fruits and seeds are important components of the diet of many birds, from carnivorous species like pigeons and sparrows to omnivorous species like thrushes and crows. As there are a lot of different types of birds, there are also various predators that can hunt them down as well. Cats, bats, squirrels, foxes, snakes, and coyotes are predators that can hunt and devour these cute little things. Birds even prey on each other, such as hawks, falcons, and owls, attacking smaller birds such as sparrows and finches. In addition, some birds may be taken by other birds of the same species, particularly when they are in territorial fights. Finally, humans can pose a threat to birds by deliberately hunting them for sport or food, or accidentally injuring them by cars or other means. Birds inhabit a wide variety of habitats, both land and sea. Land habitats include forests, grasslands, deserts, and tundras. Underwater habitats include estuaries, rivers, lakes, and oceans. Some birds, such as seabirds, even inhabit islands. Different species of birds have adapted to different habitats. For example, shorebirds are often seen in estuaries and wetlands, while raptors such as eagles and hawks are seen in woodlands and open grasslands. Waterfowl such as ducks and geese inhabit freshwater and coastal wetlands. Songbirds such as sparrows can be found in various habitats including woodlands, grasslands, and even urban areas like houses, cities, and colleges. In addition, some birds such as migratory species may inhabit different habitats at different times of year. The habitats of birds are an important factor in their survival and success. In some species, courtship behavior is necessary before mating can occur. The male displays behaviors to attract the female, such as singing, preening feathers, and offering food. Once the female is receptive, the pair will engage in the mating ritual. Once mating has occurred, the female will typically lay 1 to several eggs in a nest. The male will stay with the female to help incubate the eggs. In some species, both parents will take turns keeping the eggs warm. In other species, the male may provide food for the female and chicks while she is incubating. After the eggs hatch, the parents will continue to care for the chicks until they are old enough to fledge from the nest and repeat the whole process again. In some species, such as ducks and geese, the parents will stay with the young for a longer period of time. This is known as brood parasitism, where the parents will stay with the young until they are able to migrate and find food for themselves. Overall, birds mate and reproduce in a variety of ways, depending on the species. Finally, here are some fun facts about birds. 1. The song of the male nightingale can be heard up to 2 miles away. 2. The fastest bird in the world is the peregrine falcon, which can reach speeds of up to 200 miles per hour during a dive. 3. The smallest bird is the bee hummingbird, which is only 2.24 inches in length. 4. Hummingbirds can fly backwards, and their wings beat an average of 80 times per second. 5. The largest bird is the ostrich, with a height of up to 9 feet and a weight of up to 345 pounds. 6. The average chicken lays about 250 to 300 eggs per year. 7. The bald eagle is the national bird of the United States and is found in most parts of North America. 8. There are more than 10,000 species of birds in the world, making them one of the most diverse creatures in the animal kingdom. 9. Some species of birds can live more than 20 years, such as certain species of parrots, owls, and penguins. There you have it. Now you know what birds are and why they do what they do. I hope this video educated and entertained you to appreciate birds a bit more. Please like, share, and subscribe. Godspeed.